Today I have a new computer, the LG UltraPC, and in this series I'm going to show you everything about this computer, from the unboxing, review, tech specifications, demos, tests, how to open and how to upgrade and repair, to get to know everything about this computer. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Nothing else comes in the box, so we can put everything else away, the sponges and the cardboard boxes. Let's put here all the objects that came in the box, and I'll take them out of the plastic bags. I'm surprised because I didn't know that was included an Ethernet adapter, USB-C to RJ45, but let's see everything. Let's just open all the bags. Now take the power charger out of the bag as well, also the network adapter in this little plastic bag. The bag is just closed with tape. There's only one more thing, which is the laptop, who is protected inside this soft bag to protect from scratches. We just have to pull it, and here it is, the 14-inch computer. The color is not black or gray, it's a mixture of the two colors. I actually like the color. Let's put everything on the table. We have the laptop, LG UltraPC, a power charger, which I'm even surprised because it's bigger than I was expecting. We have a power cable for the charger, a USB to RJ45 adapter, and some papers with information about the computer. I will later go into detail about the technology specifications of this computer in another video, also about the specs of this power charger and do speed tests of this adapter. Now let's just have an overview of the computer. Let's open it to see the connectivity and the features. We lift the screen. It still comes protected with this soft film to protect the screen. So this computer has an AMD Ryzen 5 5625U CPU, a 6-core processor with hyper-threading, up to 4.3 GHz speed. It is a very good processor, especially with a very low power consumption. The screen is 14 inches. It is a small computer. It has AMD Radeon graphics, 16 GB of RAM memory, a 512 GB NVMe, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, an 80 Wh battery, and it only weighs 1.4 kilograms or 3 pounds. It has a QWERTY keyboard, but not the numeric keyboard. So, very good specs for a laptop. Let's see the connectivity. So on this side we have the plug to connect the power, an HDMI 2.0, a USB-C 3.0, a 3.5 combo jack for headphones and microphone. In the front there are no connections. Let's turn it and see the connectivity on this side. We have a card reader for micro SD, two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, and a hole to attach a lock, a Kensington lock. And finally, on the back also has nothing. The screen is anti-glare, LCD IPS, it has a very small webcam and two holes for the microphone. It is a small, lightweight computer, and we got an overview of this computer in this unboxing. Later I will go into detail on all the specs. This video is more about seeing what's inside the box. So, we've seen the computer connectivity. Now we have the power charger. It is a bigger brick than I was expecting for a computer so small and with this power consumption. It is a 65 watt charger with a length of 11.5 centimeters, 3 centimeters thick, and 5.5 centimeters wide. Later, I will do charging tests. I will also measure the cable to see if it's short or long. Normally it's around 1.5 meters, but I will do a video dedicated to that. We also have the cable to connect the charger to the power on the wall, and also this Ethernet adapter, USB-C to RJ45. And I will do tests to see if the speed is 100 megabits or 1 gigabit. Because this computer doesn't have a RJ45 port for a network cable. And also the manuals, information, guarantee about the computer. This was another video about the computer LG UltraPC, but there will be more videos about this notebook PC. I will cover everything about this computer, from the unboxing, review, speed and battery tests, or how to upgrade and repair, for you to decide if you should buy this computer. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video, and if you have any question about this computer, write in the comments.